Now dear students, we will start word problems on weight. On page number 61, there are some examples. Also, example number 1. A shopkeeper had 32 kilogram 500 gram of apples, 25 kilogram 225 gram of oranges and 9 kilogram 710 gram of pears in his shop. What is the total quantity of fruits in his shop? Now he is having apples, oranges and pears, and you have to tell the total quantity of fruits, so you need to add them. So here we will add the quantities. So we have quantity of apples in kilogram and kilograms we will write, then quantity of oranges and quantity of pears. We will find the total quantity of fruits by adding them. After adding, we will get the answer. Now in example number 2, John's mother used 28 kilogram 700 gram of ghee out of a container of 50 kilogram of ghee. How much ghee is left in the container? So the total quantity in container is 50 kilogram ghee, and John's mother used 28 kilogram 700 gram, and you have to find how much is left in the container. She has taken some of the ghee from the container and other is left in it, so we need to subtract here. So here we subtract the two weights in order to get the ghee that is left in the container. So we will have total ghee in the container 50 kilogram. In gram you have nothing, so you will take 3 zeros because the relation in kilogram and gram is 1000. We focus on the zeros. There are 3 zeros, so we need 3 numbers in grams. Now, ghee used 28 kilogram 700 gram, and we need ghee left in the container, so we need to subtract. After subtracting, we get 21 kilogram 300 gram ghee left in the container. Now similarly, we will move to our worksheet 4 on page number 62. Solve the following word problems. A. 2 baskets contain 8 kilogram 650 gram and 5 kilogram 550 gram of tomatoes. How much is the total quantity of tomatoes? Here again 2 baskets are having tomatoes and you have to find the total quantity of tomatoes, so we need to add here. So that statement, first of all write the question, first word that is 2 baskets and the last word tomatoes. So no need to write the full question, you just write the first and the last word, that is in solution. Quantity of tomatoes in first basket, because 2 baskets are there, so we will write in first basket. Quantity of tomatoes in second basket. So here we'll write kilogram, gram and the carry box. Then we will write in first basket we have 8 kilogram and 650 gram. In second basket we have 5 kilogram and 550 gram. So to find total quantity of tomatoes, you need to add it. So after adding 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry, 11 and 1, 12, and 1 carry will go to kilograms, and now adding 8 plus 5, 13, and 1, 14. So we get 14 kilogram, 200 gram in total. The answer in problem sum, you have to write the answer 14 kilogram, 200 gram tomatoes are there. 9 part B. A family consumed 40 kilogram 800 gram flour in the month of December, 25 kilogram 500 gram in the month of January, and 38 kilogram 750 gram in the month of February. What is the total consumption of flour for the 3 months? So in month of December, a family consumed this much of flour, in January this much, and in February this much of flour, and you have to find the total consumption. So here also you need to add it. So how to write? A family to months. In solution, flour in the month of December, flour in the month of January, flour in the month of February. So again you will take the 2 columns and the carry box, because we know here we have to add it. In the month of December we have 40 kilogram and 800 gram. In the month of January 25 kilogram and 500 gram. In the month of February 38 kilogram and 750 gram. So we need to add here, and we have to find total consumption of flour. Flour is atta. So you need to add. After adding, we will get 20, and 2 carry will go to kilogram, 13 and 1, 15, 1, 6, 3, 9 and 105 kilogram and 50 gram. 050 we will say as 50, and in answer we will write the total consumption of flour for 3 months will be 105 kilogram and 50 gram flour. Nine part C. In a ration shop there was 1250 kilogram and 875 gram of wheat in the morning. During the day, 1080 kilogram 250 gram of wheat was sold out. By the evening, how much of wheat was left in the shop? So we have total quantity of wheat in the morning, this, and during the day he sold out some of the wheat. This quantity the shopkeeper has sold out, and in the evening how much wheat is left in the shop. So we have to subtract it here. So how to write the statement? Total quantity of wheat. So we will write the first word in a ration shop. This is ration shop, and the last word is shop. In solution, you will write total quantity of wheat, because weight is in quantities, so we will write the total quantity of wheat. Take 2 columns, then the box, carry box, 1250 kilogram and 875 gram. Now during the day, 1080 kilogram to 50 gram of wheat was sold out. The wheat was sold out. That is 1080 kilogram and 250 gram, and you have to find how much of wheat was left in the shop. So wheat was left. So you need to subtract it here. 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, 8 minus 2 is 6, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 cannot, 8 is not divisible, subtracted by 5, so we will take 1 borrow, 15, 15 minus 8, 7, 1 minus 0, 1 and a 0. So 170 kilogram, 625 gram. So 170 kilogram, 625 gram wheat was left in the evening. Now the tea part. The weight of one watermelon is 5 kilogram 350 gram and that of another is 4 kilogram 945 gram. Which watermelon is of more quantity? So first of all we will solve which watermelon is of more quantity. So this is the weight of first and this is the weight of second. So as you know, 5 kilogram and 4 kilogram, obviously the weight of first watermelon is more. So first watermelon is of more quantity, that we know. And by how much? And you have to know by how much the first watermelon is more than the second watermelon. So we will subtract here. First of all, the weight to first word and the last word, how much. And the solution. So first of all, the weight of first watermelon. So take 2 columns, borrow box, because we know here we have to subtract, so we take borrow box. Weight of first watermelon is 5 kilogram and 350 grams. Now the weight of another watermelon or the second watermelon, you can write 4 kilogram and 945 gram. So here we need to subtract. As we know, the first watermelon is have more quantity, more weight, so we will write it on the top. And here we will write which watermelon has more quantity. So we will write first watermelon is of more quantity by, and by how much. So we will not write how much in answer, so we will write only by and we will subtract it. Now 0 minus 5 we cannot subtract, we take borrow from 5 and here it will become 10. 10 minus 5, 4 minus 4, 3 minus 9 we cannot, so we take 1 borrow from kilogram, it will become 13. 13 minus 9, that would be 4 minus 4, so 0 kilogram 405 gram. So in answer we will write, first watermelon is of more quantity by no need to write 0 kilogram, only in grams you will write 405 gram, and this will be your answer. And this completes your worksheet 4 and unit 6.